Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali dengan Madam Mazza dalam topik transmission media. Dan kita akan belajar dalam topik transmission media adalah dua topik utama. Kita akan belajar about guided dan juga unguided. Alright, dalam topik ini, dalam video recording ini, Madam akan hanya record kepada part 1 which is guided media. Right, jom kita tengok apa yang kita akan belajar dalam guided media. Dan sebelum itu kita tengok dulu apa definition of transmission media. Transmission media is anything that can carry information from source to destination. That is anything which can carry the information daripada source kepada destination. That's we call transmission media. Daripada sender kepada receiver, then we use the transmission media untuk hantar signal. Tak kira lah signal itu adalah analog maupun digital. Right? So next kita tengok again, this is type of transmission media. Dalam part ini kita akan belajar about guided. Kita ada twisted pair cable, kita ada coaxial cable dan juga fiber optic. Dalam topik kedua kita akan belajar part 2 adalah unguided, which is only focus kepada wireless transmission. Right? Pertama kita akan tengok guided media. It is a physical conductor daripada one device kepada another device. A signal travel is directed and contained by the physical limit of the medium. Ia bergantung kepada physical limit of the medium, alright, sama ada tadi coaxial cable, twisted pair ataupun fiber optic. There are three usual type, alright. Again, twisted pair, coaxial cable dan juga fiber optic. Okay. Now kita tengok dulu twisted pair cable. Consists of two conductor. Alright, twisted pair cable mengandungi dua conductor, which is on by plastic insulator. Kat luar adalah plastic insulator dan it twisted together. This is our picture. Alright, picture twisted cable. Alright, di mana inside adalah conductor. Alright, with twisted, the cumulative effect of the interference is equal on both wires and the total effect is zero. Alright, effect of interference here means that gangguan, interference ataupun kita apa? Gangguan daripada gangguan lah, interference is something like to do with noise, something like that, equal to zero. Right, so that is twisted. Dalam twisted pair cable ada dua jenis type, sama ada UTP is for unshaded twisted pair cable, and we have STP which is shaded twisted pair cable. Alright, so UTP adalah the most common twisted pair cable used dalam communication system, while STP has a metal shade, which is here metal shade ialah fungsi dia untuk prevent ataupun mengelakkan daripada noise ataupun crosstalk. Jom kita tengok gambar. So this is the difference between UTP and STP. The big difference adalah dalam STP mempunyai metal shade di mana dia adalah tambahan untuk prevent daripada noise ataupun crosstalk. Right. So next kita tengok jenis-jenis connector. Alright, dalam UTP. Contohlah we have UTP connector ialah RJ45 ataupun kita panggil register jack. It used dalam networking. It's a key connector, meaning the connector can be inserted in only one way, sama ada they have female or male. Example, kita ada female connector used in kita punya computer, ataupun male is used, alright, male is used to connected today this RJ45. This is UTP. Dan kita tengok lagi application use for twisted pair cable. Kebanyakan diguna dalam telephone line, which is provide voice and data channel. Used dalam local area network, dalam network LAN seperti 10 base T, 100 base T dan also twisted pair cable. Alright, so next kita tengok sebenarnya coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is used dalam kebanyakan analog transmission seperti adalah SRO contoh. It carries enough high frequency range dan twisted pair cable. Dia punya frequency range adalah much higher ataupun range adalah higher compared to twisted pair cable. Alright, so this is the figure ataupun picture. We have plastic cover outside, we have insulator. Alright, antara insulator we have outer conductor which is sheet dan inner conductor. Alright, that is coaxial cable. This adalah coaxial cable standard. Each cable defined by an RG rating, di mana RG number denote a unit cell physical specification Contoh, dia punya thickness dan juga ketebalan dan jenis inner insulation yang berbeza, construction of the sheet and the size and type of outer casing. So example here we have inside the table, we have category RG59, 58, 11, and then we have different impedance ataupun kita panggil apa, ataupun impedance here adalah ohm, dalam unit ohm ataupun kapasitor. We have contoh RJ59, we have 75 ohm used dalam kabel TB, RJ58 used in T Ethernet, RJ11 alright used dalam TK Ethernet. Alright, that is application. Alright, now kita tengok coaxial cable connector. We have, tadi kita tengok adalah for AJ45, now kita tengok dalam kita panggil coaxial cable adalah BNC ataupun we call bare nail concealment. Di mana ada tiga yang popular BNC. We have BNC connector used to connect in TV set. We have BNC T connector used in internet network, and we have BNC terminal untuk prevent from signal reflection. These are three type tadi. We have BNC connector used in TV, we have BNC T in internet, and we have BNC terminal used untuk prevent signal from reflection. Alright, seterusnya kita tengok again application used for coaxial cable widely used dalam analog telephone network, also used in cable TV network. Coaxial cable also apply in traditional Ethernet local area network. Alright, that is application. Now we look at our fiber optic cable, which is very popular today because this one more faster. Walaupun sedikit mahal tetapi more faster, and most of the streaming today use fiber optic, Unify, Maxis, all move kepada fiber optic. Alright, it made of glass or plastic. Outer jacket is made of either PVC or Teflon. Inside jacket ada Kevlar, we call as a strong medium used to strengthen the cable. Below inside jacket is another plastic coating to cushion the fiber, and fiber is at the center, consist of cladding and cord. Jom kita tengok figure dia. Alright, so nanti kita tengok figure. Alright, optic fiber are defined by the ratio of the diameter of their core to the diameter of their cladding. Alright, sebagaimana kita nak measure ataupun kita nak tengok dia punya specification adalah based on diameter. Alright, diameter core dan juga cladding. Alright, so this example. Alright, 50/125 is means that core ialah 50 micrometer, cladding ialah 125 micrometer. Alright, so it's used dalam mode yang berbeza. Nanti kita tengok apa itu sebenarnya mode. Every mode ada dia punya own function dia punya operation yang berbeza. Alright, seterusnya kita tengok this is connector. For fiber optic, kita ada SC register, kita ada SC connector, and we have MTRJ connector. And again, fiber optic lah one way. That's why we need two, receive and transmitter. Okay, we have one way. Ini adalah satu line for receive, satu lagi for transmit. Alright, so that is fiber optic. And it is used dalam kebanyakan backbone network ataupun bus topology. It used in some TV company and it cost effective configuration. Kenapa? Walaupun it's a bit expensive in term of material, tetapi implementation dia much more easier compared to other kita panggil guided media. Alright, so so advantages and disadvantages kita tak nak tengok in details. Like apa itu light propagation? Light because the fiber optic dia punya nature adalah dalam bentuk light. So kita kena faham apa itu light punya nature. So light travel in straight line dalam bentuk straight. If a ray of light travel through one subset enter another subset with different density. Again, sekiranya light ataupun cahaya itu travel daripada density yang berbeza kepada kurang kepada high density, akan berlakunya we call as sama ada refraction ataupun reflection. Refraction adalah sama ada dia akan jadi reflect, dia akan reverse balik ataupun dia akan menyerap, something like that. Alright, so kita tengok this one. This is when the condition I less than critical angle. I adalah dia punya degree dia less than critical angle is given. So sekiranya I itu less than critical angle akan berlakunya refraction. Okay, so sekiranya I sama dengan critical angle akan berlakunya refraction ataupun akan go to the straight line. I lebih besar critical angle akan berlakunya reflection back kepada density yang sama. Alright, so there is a thing. Optical fiber use reflection to guide through a channel. A glass of plastic core is surrounded by cladding of lens less than glass or plastic. The difference in density must be such to enable the beam in the core is reflected of cladding being reflected. Alright, so this is concept dia. Bagaimana dalam fiber optik, because of again dia punya core adalah dark inside dan di luarnya ialah cladding. Density between core and cladding adalah berbeza. Ini akan berlaku, kita panggil apa ini? Refraction. Alright, refraction. Alright. Bila light travel from sender to the receiver. Alright. So nanti dia semua dia. Alright. So that is propagation mode dalam fiber optic. Kita ada multi mode tadi. Dalam multi mode kita ada dua jenis step index, gradient index. While dalam single mode we have single mode juga. Alright. Apa itu multi mode? Multi mode adalah multiple beam from a light source move through a core in the different path. Alright. Terdiri daripada step index, alright, dan juga gradient index. Step index adalah density of the core remain constant, so dia akan remain constant. When remain constant, go in the straight line. Density is higher at the center of the core and decrease when it is lowest. Alright, so that is gradient index fiber. And the single mode adalah smaller diameter, limit beam to a small range of angle or close to horizontal, di mana its propagation of different beam is almost identical and delay are negligible. Alright. All the beam arrive at destination together and can be recombined with little distortion to the signal. That is single mode. Alright, kalau kita tengok sini, ini yang kita panggil tadi. We have multiple mode, step index, di mana, alright, the light travelling, alright, straight line dan juga dia pergi based on density punya perbezaan. And then we have gradient index and we have single mode. Alright, single mode straight line. Alright, this is propagation mode. Alright, dalam propagation method, unguided signal. Alright, unguided signal. Okay, this one adalah terus masuk unguided signal. We will learn in topic ataupun part number 2. Alright, itu sahaja permainan untuk guided media. Kita dah cover about twisted pair cable, kita dah cover about coaxial cable dan kita dah cover about fiber optic. Okay, itu sahaja permainan. Kita jumpa lagi dalam topik seterusnya. Okay, bye. Selamat belajar. Ya, Assalamualaikum.